In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to Notion. So, sign into the workspace where you want the connection to live. You can do this on the web or in the desktop app. The menus look the same. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name in the top left so you don't connect the wrong one. It's also a good idea to make sure you have permission to add connections. If you're not an admin, you can still connect your own account in many cases, but workspace-level connections may require admin rights. Next, click on Settings. You'll find this in the left sidebar. Opening Settings gives you access to all of your workspace and account preferences. If you manage a team workspace, this is where billing, members, and security live as well. We're heading to the area where integrations are managed, so keep the Settings window open. We'll use it for the connection. Now, click on Connections. This section is designed specifically for linking external tools to Notion. You may see two areas, Workspace Connections and My Connections. Workspace Connections apply to everyone in the workspace, while My Connections are just for your account. Either can work depending on your role and what you're trying to accomplish, but the flow to add Google Calendar is the same. Scroll down until you see Google Calendar. There are quite a few options here, so take your time. Each tile represents a service you can connect. If you don't see Google Calendar right away, keep scrolling. It's grouped with other popular tools. Hover over the Google Calendar option to reveal the action controls. On Google Calendar, click the plus icon to start the connection. A Google sign-in window may pop up. Choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to use and review the permissions. Grant access so Notion can read and sync your events. If your browser blocks pop-ups, briefly allow them so the authorization window can open. When prompted, confirm the workspace or scope for the connection, then finish the authorization and return to Notion. If you see a message saying you need to upgrade to business, that means this integration requires the business plan. At this point, you can evaluate whether your workspace should upgrade or check with your admin. You can confirm your current plan in the billing section of settings. Once upgraded, return to connections, click the plus icon again, and complete the authorization. That's it. You've reached the end of the process to connect Notion to Google Calendar. After connecting, you'll be able to bring calendar data into Notion and keep things in sync so your planning and execution stay in one place.